Meaning of fritillary.
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 Fritillary. Fritillary refers to a type of flowering plant that belongs to the lily family. The name comes from the Latin word fritillaria, which means dice box, reflecting the checkered or spotted pattern on the flowers. Fritillaries are known for their unique beauty, with delicate and intricate blooms that come in a range of colors including purple, red, and yellow. Some species of fritillary are even used in traditional medicine for treating respiratory illnesses and inflammatory conditions. Overall, fritillaries play an important role in the natural ecosystem as well as in human culture and medicine.